Hello friends, I am Naveen Kumar and I am an animator. At present I work in Andhra Loyola College. Today let us discuss about motion graphics. There are three types of motion graphics: video based motion graphics, image based motion graphics, and object based motion graphics. In After Effects we can access shapes from three different places. One can be accessed from toolbar. Under toolbar we have rectangle tool, and from effects we have generate. Under generate we have different types of shapes. The same thing can be accessed from layers. We have different types of layers. Out of them, shape layer is one of those. Under shape layer, if you go to the options, under options we have add. Under add we can see rectangle shape, ellipse, polystar and path. Let us discuss about all these shapes in brief. Rectangle. The moment you click on rectangle, we have a rectangle shape. And since we have not given any fill, we need to give fill. Once you give fill, we have a fill in the rectangle shape. This has got many options like size, its position. Under position we have two coordinates, x coordinate and y coordinates. These shapes can be moved or shifted from one place to another place with the help of move tool. In move tool you can select the shape and move from one place to another place. The same way we have different types of shapes. As we discussed about rectangle, we have ellipse, polystar and path. Now under shape layers, let us look into polystar, because we have many options under polystar. So I gave a polystar and it doesn't have any fill. In order to have fill, we have to add a fill. So I will go to add and give a fill. And I also want to have a stroke. So I will give a stroke. It is up to you how much width you want. I want stroke of a white color and I want to have a width of some about 8. Okay. Then we have many options under polystar. Let us look into them one by one. Okay. Here under points we have different types of n number of points. I mean, if I have 5 points, polystar has got 5 edges. If I increase it, I will have number of edges. So if you want to have a triangle, you can have a triangle. If you want to have a like n number, like a flower shape, you can have a flower. And also if you want to change the position of the star, you can change. Here we have x and y. If I move on only y side, it will move on y side, up and down. If I move on x side, it will move left and right. So we have this. And one more thing you can note here, that we can animate all these things, because here we have wait here we have the keys, the lock symbol which shows, and beside this every path, position and rotation can be changed, because if I click on this clock button or key button, I will have a key here, so that I can change this key. For example, I keyed this one in this position, and after 2 seconds I want to change the number of points. So what I will do, I will reduce the points. If I move this CTR means current time indicator. If I move this CTR on timeline, I can animate the polystar. So first we will look into all the options are available that are available in polystar. Then we will go to the animation of the each individual object. So then we have rotation. We can also rotate the polystar. And we have inner radius. Inner radius means inside. You can reduce the radius and you can increase the radius also. In the same way, we have outer radius also. The points of the star can be increased and decreased. Then we have roundness. What do you mean by roundness? The edges will be, instead of sharp, it will be rounded. Then I can reduce the points also. Then I can if I reduce outer radius, increase outer radius and reduce inner radius, I will have a flower type. So like this we can have different types of shapes. Okay, first we will go to stroke. Under stroke we have different options. We can change the color of the stroke from the color. So if I want to change the color of the stroke to green, for example, I can change the color of the stroke to green. From after color we can change the opacity of the stroke. If I have 100%, 100% is transparent. If I reduce the opacity, it will not be appearing. Then we have stroke width. The same thing we have in a toolbar. Either here you can increase or you can increase in a toolbar also. Then we have line cap, line joint, meter limit and dashes. Under dashes we have this plus symbol. If you click on plus symbol, we have the options for dashes. You can see the stroke with the dashes here. If you want to increase the number of dashes, you can increase. We can offset also. The meaning of offset is displacing the position from one place to another position, another place. So okay, now what we'll do, we will discuss about the animation, because I said about object based animation. Okay guys, that's it for today. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to our channel. And if you like our video, please give it a thumbs up, share it, and please comment below.